Ever wondered what $1 billion will buy you in the Japanese mountains?
That's 7 million US dollars, baby.
Well, wonder no more as we show you some epic pads. Property 1 is the incredible Aki Onsen Villa. It's like having your own 6-star boutique hotel at the foot of the mountains. Personal butlers, private chefs, your own onsen, and a chauffeur to take you around. Yours for a cool 1.625 billion yen.
Oh yeah, I got a lot of money.
Property number 2 is Yamake Residences, a 355 square meter penthouse in the lower Hirafu village of Niseko, a secluded duplex affording spectacular sunrise views of Mount Yote through the floor-to-ceiling windows, an indoor-outdoor onsen plus sauna, a media room for entertainment, a mega dining table for unforgettable get-togethers, a fancy private elevator, and oodles of outside space are just some of the myriad features of this low-key, upmarket super condo. On the market for 1.2 billion yen.
At that price, I'll buy one for me and one for Doodles. Woof, woof.
Our third property is for those seeking something a little more discreet. Raiko Place, a world-class 5-bedroom detached home nestled amongst the forest of Hokkaido's Hirafu ski area. Suspended fireplace, Japanese-style hinoki bath, a home gym, a media room, breathtaking views, priced on the money at 999 million yen.
It's all loose change, baby.
Which one would you choose?
I take all 3.